If you want to quickly change the order of layers in CapCut PC, this tutorial is going to make it super easy. In just a minute, I'll show you the fastest way to move clips forward or backward so you can control what appears on top in your video. This is really useful for picture-in-picture edits, overlays, text placement, reaction videos, and any project where you need one layer to sit above another. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and load the project you want to edit. Once you're inside the editor, look at the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where all of your clips, images, text, and overlays are stacked. In CapCut, the layer order is controlled by how the clips are arranged in the timeline, so the position of each item matters. Here's the easiest method. Simply click on the clip you want to move, then hold it down and drag it either upward or downward in the timeline. If you drag a clip upward, you're moving it to the foreground, which means it will appear above other layers. If you drag it downward, you're pushing it into the background, so other elements can sit on top of it. This is the fastest way to reorder layers in CapCut PC, and it works great when you want to change which object is visible first. For example, if you have a background video and you want a text box or sticker to show above it, just drag the text or sticker layer above the background clip. On the other hand, if something is covering your main footage, move that item lower in the timeline so it no longer blocks what you want the viewer to see. The order in the timeline directly affects the visual stack in your project, so a small drag can completely change the final look. As you're moving clips, pay attention to where CapCut places the line or highlight indicator. That helps you see exactly where the layer will land before you release it. Once you let go, CapCut automatically updates the order, and you can immediately preview the result in the preview window. If it doesn't look right, just drag the layer again until the layout looks clean and balanced. This method is especially helpful when you're building tutorials, edits with overlays, green screen effects, split screen layouts, or any project with multiple visual elements. Instead of opening complicated menus, you can simply rearrange everything right inside the timeline. It's simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. A quick tip: if you have a lot of stacked elements, zooming in on the timeline can make it easier to grab the exact layer you want. That way, you avoid moving the wrong clip by mistake. And if your project gets crowded, try keeping your main footage on the bottom layer, then place supporting visuals above it, like text, images, animations, or callouts. Once you've reordered everything, play the video back and check that the layers appear in the correct sequence. This little adjustment can make your edit look much more professional and polished, and that's really all there is to it. Now, you know how to order layers in CapCut PC using the simplest method. Just click, hold, and drag the clip upward to bring it forward, or downward to send it back. If this helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.